Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think. I wanted to just come on here and just talk about my weight loss journey. I've hit a wall, y'all. I've hit a lack of a better word. I'm gonna try not to cuss. A wall. I haven't worked out in days. I have two toddlers, not using them as an excuse, but I have two toddlers, twin toddlers, that I give all my energy to. And by the end of the day, I'm pooped. I am done. I haven't gotten on the treadmill for a couple of days now. And actually, I haven't lost any weight, to be honest. I'm kind of a little bit bummed, but I tell myself that this is part of the journey. This is what makes the journey worth it once you get to your destination or your end goal or wherever you're trying to get to. What I'm gonna try to do though is to give the snake diet a try. I've watched YouTube videos of Cole, the person that I guess came up with the snake diet. That guy, oh my god, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna try to just keep it nice. I think where he's coming from, his head is in the right place, but his mouth is not. His mouth is not. The way he talks, he's so abrasive, so harsh, so disrespectful. But the results that I'm seeing out there with what people are doing as far as, following his diets, if the pictures are, true and not doctored or, messed with in any way, then I'd say, he's getting some results. So I am thinking about giving it a try. And what the snake diet is that you fast, you can fast dry, like no water, no nothing. I think he calls that a death fast. And you can fast that like in a couple of days if you want, or however long you think you can. And then the juice fast, which is a snake juice, which I think is made up of maybe 3 or 4 ingredients, which is like salt and no salt and a couple of other things. What I'm going to do is when I start, I just wanted to come on here and talk about it, but when I actually start, I will show you the ingredients. I will show you me mixing the ingredients, and then when I start, you will see it when I start, and then we walk through this path together to see how it works. But I'm interested. I was almost, I swear to you, I was almost put off by this guy because, like I said, he's so abrasive, so offensive. But once you get past that and you think you can, have any kind of shot with him, with this regimen or program or whatever you want to call it, we'll see. We'll see. And as they say, the proof is always in the pudding. So I'm going to give it a shot and see. And, you're going to come along this journey with me, and let's see how it works. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to come on here and just tell you that I'm kind of demotivated. I'm looking for other avenues besides, the treadmill. And let's see how it goes. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, please, if you like this video. Ask me questions. If you have any comments, put them down below. I'll appreciate it. It will actually support this channel. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.